tools that have made me become a person that earns now a 7-digit figure every month. If you know you want to join my clique, please write it in. Which pen should I use? Today we're going to be learning on how I make my dollars on a single day without investing any single coin. I'm always earning on a daily basis. How do you think I earn this money without hustle, without stress? But I'm very sure that every 3 a.m. of another day, I go to my account and I see my dollars. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, your girl, the one who always says, you guys, provided you have a smartphone, you have internet, you have social media platforms, you're exposed to data, you have to have money. Don't turn the dial. Today, I'm going to be showing you how I've been able to make money online every single day without investing any single dollar upfront, using just free versions of AI bot, 3 powerful bots. I'm going to be sharing with you. Do you love it? It's class in progress. But before we go to class in progress, I don't do it alone. I do it with you who allows to watch these videos. That's why I earn my money. I'm solely depending on AdSense earning. I don't do affiliate marketing for now. I don't do brand sponsorship. No. Why? Because I have another job, which is a 9 to 12 hour job, so I cannot club all of them. I have I have master classes. If you want to join, you can also join us. And also I have e-learning books. Please contact me for anything at a high discount. Without wasting your time, let me dive in and I tell you about these powerful 3 tools that have made me become a person that earns now a 7-digit figure every month. If you know you want to join my clique, please write it in the comment section. I'm using, by the way, the free versions. You know, most tools, they have 2 sides. There's a free version, and also there's a version which is premium. But most of these ones I'm going to share with you, it is free version. So be stationed and start earning this money like the way I do. The first one is DeepSeek AI. This is my hidden research weapon. If I'm telling you my hidden research weapon, this is what I'm going to tell you. The first tool I've been using is DeepSeek AI. This is an incredible free AI bot that helps me to deep research in seconds. Whether I'm finding trending products for my dropshipping store, and this one, I don't always do dropshipping, but I do it like on maybe on a weekly basis. I do it once. Identify my niche keywords for affiliate blogs. 90% I'm using for this DeepSeek AI is for my content creation. It has helped me to do keywords for my blogs and even coming up with viral content ideas. DeepSeek has handled all this alone. With DeepSeek, I can instantly generate product description, but majorly I'm generating description for my post, description for my videos, blog outline, and even social media captions. It's my go-to, you people, to discover or for discovering profitable opportunities in real time, which saves me hours every day. I know you're still there asking, what is this DeepSeek? If you want to know DeepSeek, I want you to go to our previous videos. You're going to get a video full detail about DeepSeek. DeepSeek is a free AI tool, but you can also go for a premium one. What you need to do, you can download it or you can go directly to your website and just put the word DeepSeek. This DeepSeek, set up your account, and the moment you finish setting up your account, it will know exactly. Like me now, DeepSeek knows me. I'm a person who is talking and training and teaching online, making money online, and I'm crazy on having money indeed. So it has helped me so much. What you do, key in the appropriate commands of words that we really help this DeepSeek to bring for you the right solution and the right help that you need. Like this video, that way you see it, you only go and say, DeepSeek, please can you kindly write for me a video transcripts detailing on how I've been using you, DeepSeek, making money by making content every day, and please include this. There you include what you want for DeepSeek to do for you. If it's there, if it's genuine, it will make for you. The second one is ChatGPT. ChatGPT, I always say, is my love as far as content creation is concerned. It is the all-in-one content creator, you guys. I have nothing to minus on this ChatGPT. I've been using a free version since we started, and as you always see, I'm always at your screens every after 10 hours. At 2 p.m. you get me, 2 a.m. you get me, and at 6 p.m. you get me, you guys. That means someone is behind this. It has offloaded me from sitting down and doing using a lot of my time, consuming my time to make transcripts. It has brought me a very good personnel as far as transcripting the videos is concerned. So ChatGPT, yes, I'm using the free version. Even without premium plan, ChatGPT, a powerful house for creating high quality content. I use it to write product reviews, but major it is in a small basis, but oftenly every day it does social media posts, email sequences, and even it scripts like the one you're reading right now. For affiliate marketing, ChatGPT helps me write CEO-friendly blog post that ranks on Google and drive free organic traffic to my really people, and this makes me get some commission. But as I always told you, me with affiliate marketing, I do it on a smaller basis. It's literally this my free content team in one board. I don't have a team right now to write the content when I have this one. The third one is Meta AI. This is the social media mastermind. I love you so much. He is a social media mastermind. What does it do? We have Meta AI, which I use directly with Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Meta AI helps me brainstorm viral post ideas. It makes me write catchy captions and even generate replies to customer inquiries, especially when it is as far as the product is concerned. Like when I put products on my status, I always do it and answer questions using this. What is really powerful about Meta AI is how well it understands social trends and helps me create content that actually gets attention. Whether it is a short form video, reels, or casual post, for both affiliate marketing and dropshipping, this AI bot has been a game changer. Putting all this together, you guys, let's come. What do you think? Do you think you can adopt this? So how does this all work? Every day I use these three tools together: DeepSeek to find opportunities, ChatGPT to create content, and Meta AI to distribute and optimize it on social media platforms. With zero upfront investment, I've been able to grow my affiliate commissions, generate traffic to my online stores, and consistently make money online, all thanks to these three tools. You guys, if you're getting started with online business, content creation, dropshipping, or affiliate marketing, you don't need expensive tools. These free AI tools are more than enough to get you earning on a daily basis. Make sure you guys, you tell us what you think about them. If you have a testimony about this one, please let us know, and I see you in another video. Bye bye.